Hey, yo, dog. How is this shit going down?
Did you just call me dog? Okay. There is one man in the room. There is one camera. We are going to go into his store and rob him. I forgot to say he was Dominican. He has big dick and big balls. He will take out a machete and fuck my Indian black ass up. Now that we know what our priority is, we can get what we want. Because today is payday. Welcome.
Y esto dos caras en mierda.
Hey, you know you have to pay for that shit.
I ain't paying for nothing, bitch.
Hey, you see me robbing that banana? Gangsta.
This is a...
Wait, dog. Wait. Should I tell him this is a setup? What? What? What?
Yeah, you heard us. Traffic of the purple, boy.
That's right, dog. We took out your cameras and banged your girl. I don't have one.
This dirty son of a dog. You banged his mom. That is crusty pussy. You have to bang nice and crispy pussy. That is not pussy for you. Jesus. Forget it. Forget it. We talk about this later. I go beat your ass. Give me the money now.
I got no money for you. Oh shit. Oh, come on, man. Oh, Jesus. Oh!
Come on, man. This ain't cool, man. Oh my god, not that shit again, not that. Yala! Yala! Huh? Huh? What?
Shit, man. Should I do this slow or fast? I guess that didn't hurt.
So you come.
Cut! Yo. Hey. You awake, Cut? Okay. Okay. Cut. Cut. Yo. Come.
Are you fucking crazy? Oh.
I'm sorry. I had to wake you up.
Never mind that. I'll talk about it later. Where the hell are we?
It smells like a basement.
Well, let's find the light switch.
Okay. I think that's it right there. I'm almost there. Damn!
Are you okay? Hold up, I have a question. What the hell did you hit me with?
Are these torture tools?
I don't know. I am in the dark, you son of a dog.
Never mind, it's just some silverware.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing?
Watch out, guys!
What? Oh, why this all the bad shit happened to me?
You want some of this, Cut?
Holy shit.
Oh, Kat, are you alright?
I'm going to go to
Hey, yo, get that fool. Get that fool.
That's how we do it back in my country, bitch. Yo, Dada. Let's go.
Let's get Kat.
Okay. Wait, I think I left my phone. Okay, let's go. Run.
Oh hey, what's up? It's your boy Prodigy up in here. If you like this video, please give it a like and maybe comment down below, and please subscribe. I will be uploading more videos frequently. That is all. Peace out. Deuces. I'm out. Didn't I told you to turn it off already? No, turn it off. Get the camera.